guys! In this vlog, I am going to share to you what it is like in a week of being a reporter. This is showcasing some of my coverages specifically before the MassKara Festival highlights. I hope you will enjoy this vlog, but before that, I am going to show you the prices for our simple but special paraffle. To all of you, ang akon nga mga special viewers, miski duwa lang kamo or tatlo or 5 kamo, I really appreciate it that you took time na i-watch ang akon nga mga vlogs. Our prices, we have here a chopstick and may case siya nadala. Then the second one is a shades. I ordered it from Salora, so I'm going to give it to my special viewer who will win the raffle. And then we have here a USB. I don't know if kailan siya ka-gig, pero you can use this to store your files, your pictures, everything. Stay tuned at the end of this video para mabalaan paano ka mo magdaog sang sini nga mga prizes. Without further ado, let us proceed to the vlog. See ya!
It's the one that they had that way. They were too young to know it was real.
Sa MassKara Festival. Sorry kami sa Cebu.
We have seen how the MassKara has evolved through the years, and MassKara was not always a smooth ride. To make the long story short, with all the challenges na naagyan sa MassKara, today the MassKara is something that has become so big, so attractive, very much an icon of Bacolod, and it is something that we can all be proud of.
Be the voice of innocent children and let's create a child-friendly society. A pleasant evening, Bacolod. This is Christine Mendoza, 22. I am your MQ candidate, number 1.
Transforming lives, one out of school youth at a time. Hi, good evening. This is Ruem Hilara Alcan, 20, your MQ candidate number 2.
Unveil your talents and gifts to the world and inspire other people to embrace their individuality. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Moira Macy Corpuz Abisamis, 21, your MQ candidate number 3. We are gonna be leaders someday and we should know what's going on. Good evening, Bacolod. This is Andrea Sagario, 17, your MQ candidate number 4. The beauty of never giving up in pursuing your dreams is becoming the better version of yourself. Good evening, everyone. My name is Trisha Manistukero, 21, your MQ candidate number 5.
Seize every opportunity and show the world that nothing could ever hold you back. This is Vina Marie Soriano Peña, 20, your MQ candidate number 6.
Spreading awareness about polycystic ovarian syndrome and empowering women to be confident in their own skin. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I am Shiela Victoria Juarez, 18, your MQ candidate number 7.
My family is the wind beneath my wings, the sole reason why I aspire to climb greater heights. Good evening, everyone. I am Chiny Mei Ang, 21 years old, your MQ candidate number 8.
I am an Earth warrior, and I make it a mission to preserve our planet and empower the youth to do the same. Good evening, everyone. I am Janine Carvillas, 18, your MQ candidate number 9.
Radiate hope by encouraging people to express themselves and promoting mental health. Good evening, Bacolod. This is Queenie Edasa Amarante, 19, your MQ candidate number 10.
Showdown na kita!
Welcome to Dubai! We are in Dubai!
Tapos naman yung coverage sa opening sa MassKara Classroom! He's the one who performed for Cambodia. What's your name?
My name is Seth. First time I come here.
Ah, okay. It's your first time to come here. How long have you been performing for that talent? Thank you. Hoy, man! Nasa niya! Merry Christmas! Wish you a Merry Christmas! Wala na, brand out na! Naliyan, paano magpupon? Guys, today is Saturday, so hire to sa SM and mga grocery kita. Beauty and Planet says, kasi ang color. We are Masalab Violet. Makwa na ni, and then down ni. Here. I like this one. Hello guys, again, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that you stayed up to the end of this vlog to know the criteria how to win in our special and simple raffle. Okay, so to win the prize, all you need to do is comment down below your favorite live quotes. Okay, so comment down and win the prize. We will announce the winner in my next vlog, and that is I think the highlights of the MassKara festival. Okay, as always guys, spread love and kindness. Bye bye.